Verisurf 2022 introduces the concept of the intelligent mesh to facilitate model-based alignment, profile analysis, and real-time inspection using nominal meshes, and to enable rapid interrogation of mesh dimensions. When used as a nominal dataset for alignment and analysis, auto-align targets can be placed directly on the mesh to enable model-based alignment. GD&T callouts such as surface profile can be applied and used for both offline analysis and real-time inspection using Verisurf's build mode. If the mesh is segmented, each element can be assigned a different inspection tolerance. Intelligent meshes simplify the analysis of scalar dimensions for scan data. After measuring a part, dimensions can be taken directly from the mesh, without first surfacing or even aligning the data. Thickness is evaluated simply by clicking the mesh, and the two-point dimension tool enables rapid evaluation of step, gap, and flush. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2022 feature highlight series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.